Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unarchive your story on Instagram. Alright, first thing that you need to do here is to open up your Instagram app, of course. Now once you're in here, you're going to want to go to your profile right here at the bottom right. Tap on it and tap on this drop down right here. Tap on this three lines right here. Tap on that and go to archive. Alright. Now once you're in here, you're going to want to tap on an archive that you wanted to archive. Alright. If you can't see any of your stories right here, that will be because that your stories will only be available for 24 hours. Alright. Again, your stories will only be available for 24 hours. So for example, that you have created a story, you're going to want to tap on that and hit on save. And you should be able to see that in here. Once you saw it, just go ahead and tap on the saved story. Tap on that and you'll be shown plenty of options. Alright. There'll be an option to save and repost. Alright. If I were you, I'm gonna tap on save. So it will be saved on your device's storage and you'll be able to repost that anytime you want. Alright. That's basically it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.